Powder coating is a great business, but in order to scale it, you always need more PSIs, more CFMs, more amps, more KVs, and more throughput. It's enough to make anyone faint. The fact is, most coders are stuck in a cycle, overworked, underbid, chasing volume just to survive. PowderLux flips that script. It's not just a powder, it's a full system, certified and designed to let you quote work no one else can. A certified luxury finish system, architect specified, coder protected. We help you build a pipeline of spec-driven work. Here's what other coders are saying about us. Sign up now, take the readiness quiz, and start your journey to find out if this is right for you. We'll see if you're a fit and show you what's possible. If you're ready to break the cycle and start quoting premium jobs that set your shop apart, take the quiz or apply today.